Hi everyone. Ang ganda mo. Ray Siberia, pakis. Mexico, Dark Life. From Mexico, oh my god. Hello to my, if you flash, then you will like and sub. Flush? Hi, Depak. Hello. Lucky mom. Mommy, mommy. Hi, everyone. Nice looking. Thank you. $98 viewers. Huh? Electric fan. Hi to my 98 viewers. To my 104. Comment guys, comment. Hello Demas Cobian. Hi. Hi Demas. Shout out. Shout out Demas. Huwag mong takpan yan. Takpan ko lang. Poor woman, you have no beauty parlor, spend money. Yeah, sure. No. No, poor woman. I'm a poor woman. Mo sa akin. Why are you hiding something down there? Because it's private. I'm poor woman, it's true. How many kids do you have? Only one. Only one. Boy, you're very beautiful. Not so. It's not so. Not all are beautiful in your eyes only. I 17 to like you, Queen. Thank you. Mommy can. Okay, just hide your comment. You're so cute. Thank you. Nice hair. Thank you. How about the other share live? I have there my super stickers, and my gym membership. If you are is a crispy cut. Is a crispy cut. Hey boss, how can I get rich woman own house in Australia? What you mean by that, king boss? Ronald Rose, nice lips, thank you. I'm 42. Tulu. I'm 42. Hi, Samantha. Hello, Samantha. Indonesia Hader. 42 years. Why? Do I look like more 40? Nice home. No, thank you. Thank you. Nice home. It's not nice. But we are here, not in a room. We sleep in the living area. Hi, mom. Hello. Indonesia. You look younger than 42. Oh, really? Ronald Rose is from. Hi, Ronald Rose. Shout out to Christian Rats. Hello. This is saying that. No, wait, milk. Hi, me. Hello, Nanang Saruto. Hello. Your house looks nice. Really? We sleep in the living room, not in the room. The room is there. There are 2 bedrooms, but we choose to sleep here because the internet inside the room is not good. That's why we sleep with my son here. Oh, my son is